Good evening. Let's enjoy a peaceful evening together. I wake up after a nap. I wake up after a short nap. I wake up after a short evening nap. The room is quiet and cozy. The room is quiet and cozy. I make some tea. I make a warm cup of tea. I make a warm cup of tea for my study time. This is my favorite teacup. This is my favorite teacup. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk with my tea. I open my laptop. I open my laptop for my English class.
I study English online. I study English online every evening. I study English online every evening after my nap.
I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I repeat the sentences slowly. I repeat the sentences slowly. Learning English little by little makes me happy. Learning English little by little makes me happy.
Now I want some fresh air. Now I want some fresh air. I go for a walk. I go for a walk in the park. I go for a walk in the park near my house.
The sunset looks soft and beautiful. The sunset looks soft and beautiful.
The evening air feels so fresh. The evening air feels so fresh. I come back home. I come back home slowly. I come
back home slowly after my walk.
I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I put on my slippers. I put on my slippers. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I change my clothes. I change my clothes.
I change into something comfortable.
Now I feel relaxed at home. Now I feel relaxed at home. I prepare my dinner. I prepare my dinner. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I cut the carrots into small pieces. I cut the carrots into small pieces. I make a simple soup. I make a warm soup for dinner.
The soup smells delicious. The soup smells delicious.
I eat my dinner quietly. The warm soup makes me feel calm.
The warm soup makes me feel calm.
I clean the table. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes carefully with warm water. Now the house is quiet again. Now the house is quiet again. I write in my journal. I write about my thoughts and feelings. I feel calm tonight. I feel calm and thankful.
I feel calm and thankful for this peaceful evening.
Thank you for spending this quiet evening with me.
All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day.